Length. Materials used to measure the lengths of objects. Hello friends, look at the screen. These are the things which we are using to measure the lengths of the objects. That is, hand span, foot span and cubit. Let us discuss these basic ways of measurement. Put your palm on the surface as shown here. The distance between the tip of thumb and the tip of the little finger is 1 hand span. Likewise, we can measure it by a foot span and a cubit as shown in the figure. Do you see the piece of thread? Two friends, Sita and Geeta, are measuring the lengths of the piece of thread. You may see according to Sita, the length of the thread is 5 hand spans, whereas according to Geeta, the length of the thread is more than 5 hand spans. Why is it so? It is because the sizes of the body parts differ from person to person. Therefore, measurement by hand span is not the standard way of measuring. Similarly, measuring the length of objects by foot span, cubit and pace are also not the standard way of measuring. So, to obtain accurate measurement, we require some standard measuring instruments. Some of the standard instruments are ruler, measuring tape, etc. If we use standard measuring instruments, then length of a given object will be accurately measured. Now let us measure the thread by using measuring tape. Its length is 32 centimeters.